They're starting to show signs of growth. These ones haven't got moved up into the windows yet. I'm gonna go over here. You can see one's the 4 quad ones. Lots of good growth. This one is sending up a flower already, so that's very exciting. But all of these 4 quad ones have excellent growth on them so far. These ones in the basement window are all coming up. There's a couple that haven't started yet, but they'll get going. Even one of the little ones is starting to grow, so that's very exciting. This one's the most exciting because it's already starting to grow flower. So that was just a quick update on how the amaryllises are doing.